In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Bluetooth couldn't connect on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first thing we want to do is we want to check if we have a Windows update. So just open and check for Windows Update, check if you have one, and take it if you have one. The other thing we want to do is we want to check if we have some optional updates. So you want to come here and search for optional updates, open it up, and in here if you see anything you can drop it down, and then you want to look for any Windows or Bluetooth related. Now obviously this is for my Intel, my monitor, and all of this, so I don't need to take these, but if you have anything Bluetooth or Windows related, you want to download it and install it. Now the last thing that you want to try is you want to search for Device Manager, come in here, look for Bluetooth, you should have a Bluetooth icon, then drop down and then find the device that you're having trouble with. So let's say it's your AirPods or whatever in your Bluetooth, then you want to right click on it, update the driver, search automatically, and make sure that you have the best driver. After you've done that, you want to come to CMD, so search for CMD right here, right click and run as an administrator. In here type sfc /scan now and press enter. Then you just want to wait for the scan to be at 100%. Once it's at 100%, you can close down your PC and restart it, and then it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.